the best potato soup recipe. So, I had a mild culinary adventure this week. I cooked my first celeriac, aka celery root. Celeriac is gnarly looking vegetable, but, despite its slightly intimidating appearance, it has a very mild flavor, reminiscent of, not surprisingly, celery, and is surprisingly easy to peel and chop. Its density is more like a potato than a rutabaga. If you're cooking it under dry heat as part of a side dish, they make a great addition to neeps and tatties. For example, I recommend chopping it into large chunks rather than dicing it small, so that it doesn't lose all of its moisture in the roasting, baking process. In addition to plans for adding it to my upcoming solstice feast, I thought that celeriac would lend a little extra complexity to a traditional leek and potato soup. Of course, my potato soup isn't entirely traditional. In addition to the celeriac, I've also included white beans, cauliflower, and a pinch of cayenne, to make a sturdy, stick-to-your-ribs meal that's perfect for December's blessedly, cursedly, cold winter days. Enjoy! You will need large pot, knife plus cutting board, blender or food processor, 2 liters bowl, skillet, optional. Ingredients: 3 big potatoes, peeled, or not, and diced, 1 large leek, white part only, diced, 3 plus cloves garlic, roughly chopped, 1/2 c celery root, peeled and diced, 1 tin white beans, navy, white kidney, etc., drained and well rinsed, 1/2 c cauliflower, diced. Note: stalks are great for this, frozen is fine. Pinch cayenne or paprika, black pepper, thyme to taste, 1 tablespoon plus butter, margarine or sesame oil may be used if you want to make this vegan, 1 teaspoon salt, water to cover, optional, 6 dried shiitake mushrooms, scrubbed, reconstituted and cut into slivers, plus extra butter, substitute for sautéing. Preparation instructions: wash, peel and chop all the vegetables, except the mushrooms, drain and rinse the beans, put the leeks, garlic, herbs, and beans into the large pot with a tablespoon of butter and sauté until the leeks are translucent. Add the rest of the vegetables, except the mushrooms, and the salt, and fill the pot with water until the vegetables are covered by about an inch. Boil until everything falls apart easily, about half an hour, in batches. Puree the soup in the blender until it is smooth. Add each batch to the large bowl while you do the rest. Return pureed soup to original pot and heat through. Optional. Scrub, reconstitute, soak in boiled water for about 5 minutes or until soft and plump, and slice the shiitake mushrooms into slivers. Then sauté the mushrooms in the skillet, using a little extra butter. Add the sautéed mushrooms to the hot soup just before